Want to know how to code up some automated feature engineering? Let's walk through a Python notebook that lets us go from 8 features to over 300 engineered features. To do this, I'm going to use OpenFE. I start off by installing it. The notebook has references to OpenFE as well as some other blog posts that have discussed it. So the next step is I'm going to load in my data set. I'm using the Moz data set from Kaggle, and you'll see here it's a largely numerical data set, not that wide. After a little bit of feature selection, get the features that I want to engineer with OpenFE, I go ahead and use OpenFE, and you'll see here OpenFE will create lots of engineered features. It will then narrow them back down to a smaller subset of those. Next, if you're curious, hey, what features did it create? You can see all the different feature transformations for every feature here as well. You can then transform your data set, and within here, you can see your new engineered features that you have. In the notebook, I also discuss some of the advanced features and give you a code snippet of using those advanced features. So if you need some automated feature engineering, here's one. There's a lot of other tools out there as well that you can try. For further background, I have links to the original paper as well as the GitHub, and then you can always find the notebook at my repo.